Are you tired of starting a business that sounds good but crash at every sign of trouble? Worry no more, because I got your back. I will be teaching you in this video 7 businesses that never fail. Yes, you heard me right. 7 businesses that never fail. It is time tested and always in demand. If you find this video helpful, please consider to watch to the end, like, share, subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Number 1 in my list is child care service. Yes, child care service is one of the business that if you can be able to start it, you will not regret it. It will never fail. Yes, the reason is, now in this our country, Nigeria, everybody is putting both the head, the hands, the leg together on the decks to make sure that they meet their needs at home or anywhere. So thereby, parents are looking for people that will take care of their children while they go about to do their businesses or to do their work. Yes, now this is not the era of house help or nanny. Yes, some people, nanny have done them a whole lot of things that they cannot even trust them. So they don't even consider bringing nanny to their house. And are you talking of house help? Again, so people are not interested on those things, so they prefer to take their children out to a particular school or any place or that their children can be well taken care of, so that if they come back from the work, they will generally go there and pick their children without no issues. So you can start this particular business in your house, just a small billboard, child care service. They will bring those children to you. If you know that you are hot-tempered, please don't go into this business, because you know how children used to do. So that you will not go and do what you are now sent to do because of anger issue. So, but if you love children, if you love children around you, you can, yes, take care of them properly. This particular business is for you, and trust me, you will cash out. Yes, because when the particular parents bring 2-3 children to you, times number of parents down, because when you are doing the good work, people will announce you. Yes, people will announce you. Before you know it, you start trending. It's not only on online that people trend. You can still trend physically. Yes, by so doing, you'll be making cool cash. You don't tell me that you don't have money to start up, you don't have a place. Once you have your home, you don't need any other money. It's parents that will bring the children, bring what you will use to take care of their children. They will still pay you handsomely. What is expected of you is just carry out your work properly. Are we together? Thank you. Number 2, agriculture. Yes, agriculture is gold. Let me just put it that way. If you can find your way into agriculture of any type, agriculture is a gold. Yes. Okay, let's take egg, for instance. Now, you know that it's not everybody that can afford to buy every other protein like meat, chicken, all those things. All those things are too expensive now for less privileged. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you're going into egg business or egg production. You understand what I'm saying? You will cash out. Egg is massively in sales as I'm talking with you now. If they cannot afford to buy fish and every other thing, they will easily go and get egg. Okay, in my area now, some people are selling one egg for 200 naira, 250, 300 max. Yes. So, and this particular business is not a business that somebody will come and buy once and it will be months ago. No, that particular person will buy this egg now. In the next hours, she will still come back and buy. Tomorrow they will buy. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. So egg is a steady business that if you can venture into it, if you can start by selling wholesale, by selling retails, yes, excuse me, you will start somewhere. So, excuse me, egg business is very good. Not only egg, every other business in agricultural area, in agricultural sector, is very, very high in demand, and it never fails. It never fails. So this particular business will not disappoint you. What you need to do is venture into it, know the strategy, know that every business has its strategies for it to work or maximize your profit. So by so doing, you will cash out. So number 3 is laundry business. Yes, you that is watching me, if you will tell yourself the truth, how many times do you used to wash your clothes? Most of us, we used to pack our clothes to the laundry services for them to wash it, iron it, and dress it properly. So many people are too busy to the extent that they cannot even take good care of themselves. Talk more of washing clothes. Okay, in that your particular street, how many laundry shop will you find? In every street, there is laundry business. Yes. The only thing is that you may tell me that laundry is not that kind profitable, but it will never fail. We're talking of the business that will never fail. Yes. So you venturing into the business, you know that I've already said that business is strategy. It depends on how you package your business. That is how your business will look like. Yes. So those laundry business, if you package it well, people will be bringing clothes to you. Yes. So this woman that I know, she is doing her laundry business in her home, in her house. She's not even going shop. And people are bringing, to the extent that I saw her watching customers' busters on this. Do you understand? People are so occupied that they cannot even wash their common buster. What are you now saying? It's very lucrative and it never fails. But 4 in my list is healthcare. Yes, healthcare is one of the business that can never fail. You take care of yourself medically. You take care of your family medically. You take care of your children medically. So if you have a pharmacist shop, if you have any like a healthcare service, like or running a lab, scan, all those medical line, you understand, you know what I'm saying. This business will not fail. Okay, in every pharmacy now, every day from morning till evening, people are throwing in the shop to buy paracetamol, this one, that one. Yes, it's a steady moving business and it's very profitable. These people into this business, they are cashing out wherever they are. That's why you will come to the street like this. You will see like 4 to 5 chemist shop in a street, and they are doing very well. Some chemists, hospitals are patronizing them. For you to understand what I'm saying. So, but please, if you are not in any healthcare personnel, please don't go into this business, unless you know it very well, so that you will not go and prescribe what I don't know to somebody. But if you are into this kind of personnel, this business is for you and you will not regret it. It is high in demand. You will buy for your children's malaria, this and that. You will want them. You will do this one. You will do that. What are you saying? Yes, what are you saying? So this business is very profitable and it can never. Number 5 is transportation. Yes. Though this particular transport now is quite expensive, that is not what you can start with a low income, you understand, but it's very profitable. You cannot go out without taking transport of any kind. If you buy anything from the market, you will transport it back. If you want to travel, by sea, by air, by anything is transport. So what are you saying? Transportation business is one of the profitable business that can never fail. All else, the only thing that will make it to fail is you did not manage it well. You see, in my side and in my area, even when I'm small, I've started hearing of GIG. God is good. From that time till now, they are still active. GUO, and many of them. So you see, they are cashing out big, transporting goods from one place to other, transporting you and me from one place to other. See, if transport is not profitable, Uber will not be profitable. But people are going into Uber business. For you to understand what I'm saying. So this particular business, it will never fail. Trust me. But it's an expensive side. But if it is what you can venture into, trust me, you will not regret it. But the only thing is that make sure that you manage it well, or you bring somebody that can help you to manage it well. Number 6 is real estate. Guys, let me tell you something. Apart from tech, real estate is one of the richest business you can venture into. Apart from this particular YouTube, Facebook, and every other thing that is massively in money. You see real estate, oh my God, you will cash out massively. You understand? So real estate is one of the business that can never fail. Yes, if you can find your way into this business. Imagine that somebody will build a house and sell it how much? No, I did not hear you. How much? You buy a land. The only thing that can affect this business is maybe that particular house bought bonds, or like they are renovating, they are doing all those things that made the, to bring down the building. So the building is there. Year to year, years to come, nothing will happen to it. So real estate of any kind of branches that you can see it from, guy, you will cash out. Really good. Cool money. You will not understand. So real estate is one of the profitable business that can never fail. So number 7 is personal training. Yes. If you learn a skill, if you can teach out something, if you can give value to people, you are hot. People will be dropping in and out to meet you for you to teach them what you have. Just go and learn particular skill that you know that if you learn it, you can be able to impact to others actively. You trust yourself that yes, I can impact on this. Go and learn it. Trust me, you will not regret it. Okay, just look at all these people that is doing software, all those kind of online stuff. They are hot in sell. They are hot in sell. So no, they dull. No, dull yourself. There are things that we can do to cash out very good. But all we need is guideline. If you are into it on a right track, trust me, you will not regret it. Thank you. If you watch this video up to this moment, thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for you to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.